dozen towns ago. I reached out one night and you were gone. I don't know why you run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I wanna bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, bumping for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I love you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down. Up ahead, son of the town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoes, searching for you. The cold Kentucky rain, the cold Kentucky rain. Saw a photograph, some old gray-bearded man sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said yes, she's been here, but the memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. Finally got a ride, such a man who asked, where you bound on such a cold dark afternoon? Drove on through the rain, I said listen, I explained, and he left me with the prayer that I find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoes, searching